Hello, I'm Nate Kunzer from Heidolph North America, and today I'm going to be demonstrating to you the independent safety circuits inside the Hei-Tech and Hei-Connect hot plates when using a PT1000 external temperature probe. The independent safety circuits inside your Hei-Connect or Hei-Tech hot plate will turn off the heating in your hot plate if the temperature read by your internal temperature probe or external temperature probe exceeds 25 of your set point. I'll show you right now how that will happen in the case of a runaway reaction where your temperature increases by 25 degrees Celsius. See the temperature rising and rising. Once it passed 25, it is searching. And it errors out. Notice how rotation continues to prevent any foaming or solidifying of your mixture. This also works in the other direction where maybe your temperature probe falls out of your medium and your temperature decreases by over 25 degrees Celsius. I'll show that. Temperature is dropping. It recognizes it is below 25 degrees and it errors out. Again, rotation continuing. So that is how your independent safety circuits inside your hot plates will keep both you and your product safe. That was a demonstration of the independent safety circuits in your Hei-Connect and Hei-Tech hot plates. Again, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America. Thank you again for watching.